Hello friends, my name is Joydeep Burman. Today we will start practicing of Dewey Decimal Classification. So I have already posted 5 videos about Dewey Decimal Classification. If you do not know about Dewey Decimal Classification, please watch my 5 videos, and after that if you watch this video you will understand. Okay, so we will start practicing from the basic level. Okay, so let's start the video. Here is a document about medical library. This document is in this document there are two terms. One is medical, that means medical science, one is library science. Okay, this document is about a library, a particular kind of library. This library is medical library. So the main subject will be of the document library science. Okay, because the document is about the library, not about the medical science. Okay, about the medical library, not about the library medical science. So the document will be under main library science. We know the library science is under the main class of generalities. Okay, we know that in DDC the all universe of knowledge are divided into 10 main classes. First one is generalities. The notation of the generalities is 0 0 0. Here I have written the notation 0 0 0 main class equal to generalities. Under generalities 0 to 0 you will get the notation of library and information science. Under 0 to 0, in 0 to 6 you will get the notation of library devoted to various specific discipline and subject. If we need to add the notation of specific subject of specific kind of library, then you have to take this notation. Okay, under this notation you will get an instruction. This instruction is, I have written the instruction different color, add 0 0 0 dash 999 to base number 0 to 6. That means our base number will be 0 to 6. That's why I have written written base number in square bracket beside the 0 to 6. Okay, our base number will be 0 to 6, and we can add the notation from the schedule. Okay, for the specific subject we can add the specific subject from the schedule. Here is the instruction. Without this instruction we cannot add. Okay, so there is the instruction, so we can add the specific subject. Our subject, our libraries is devoted to medical science. So the in schedule in 610 there is the class number of medical science. So I have written 610 equal medical science or medicine. Okay, now the synthesis will be 0 to 6 for the base number. This notation is for the library devoted to specific discipline or subject, plus 610, this is for medical science. Our class number will be 0 to 6 dot 61. Here you can see that I have not written the last digit. Last digit is 0. Why I have not written 0? Because there is a rule in DDC. If you use the dot, we have to use the dot after 3 digits, and after dot you cannot use 0 as the last digit. Okay, so that's why I have not written 0 here. Okay, this is okay. Now in this way I will give some examples below the page. These examples are engineering library, religious library, physics library. So in this way you have to find out the class number of this document. Okay, our next example is curriculums in history. this this is a document, this is a book. This book is not a history book, it is about a curriculum. Curriculum, there is a two terms also. Curriculums is under the education. We know in education there is, education means in education there is different things, curriculum is one of them, okay, and this is, another subject is history. So this document is about the curriculum, only the curriculum of history. So the main class will be curriculum, okay, not history. That is why we know the curriculum is the part of education and education is under the main class of social science. That is why I have written 300 main class, that is social science. Under social science in 370 there is education, notation of education. Under education 375 in 375 there 375 is the notation for curriculum. I have taken this notation, okay. Now under 375 there is many subdivision of 375. I will show you. Here you can see that the subdivision, here is the, this is the schedule of DDC, okay. The notation 375 is for curriculums. Here there is no instruction under the curriculum. Under the curriculum there is no instruction to add the specific subject, okay. Our subject is the curriculum for history, okay. There is no instruction to add the specific subject. So but there is many subdivision of curriculum. First one is dot 0001 dash dot 0008. This is for standard subdivision. Here dot 0001 dash dot 0008 means the 375.0001 dash 375 dot 0008, okay. Likewise the second subdivision is dot 0009 equal to historical periodical. This means the meaning of the notation, this is the notation of, the full notation will be 375.0009, okay. These are the all the subdivision of the 075. Now in the subdivision here you can see there is a notation dot 01 dash dot 99. That means this is the notation 375.01 dash 375.99. Here this number is for, this notation is for curriculum and course of study in specific subject. Here you can add the specific subject, and under this notation you can you will get the instruction for adding the specific subject. Here is the instruction, add 010 dash 990 to base number 375. Our base number will be 375, and with this base number we can add another subject, okay. Here is the instruction. So I have taken this instruction, this notation for the curriculum and course of study in specific subject, okay. And after that I have added the number for history, okay. Here so the 375 is for curriculum and 375.01 dash point means dot 99 equal to curriculum and courses of study in specific subject. And under this notation there is the instruction, I have written the instruction, add 010 dash 990 to base number 375 will be our base number, and we can add the subject from here. So our subject is history, okay, curriculum in history. So I have added the number of notation of history. The 900 is the notation for the general history, okay. The synthesis will be 375 plus 900 and class number will be 375.9. Here you can see that after 9 there is 2 0, but I have not written in the class number I have not written this 20 because the same rules. After if we after 3 digit, if after dot you cannot use the 0 as the last digit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, this is the rule, and this in this way I have given you the some tasks, the similar subject, the curriculum in mathematics, curriculum in library science. You try to find out the class number of this example. Okay. Now, our next example is bibliography of mathematics. Here is the two subject also. One is bibliography of mathematics. We know bibliography is under the generalities. Okay. In the main class of generality, the 000 main class generality, under generalities in 010 there is bibliography. So, we can do this class number, we can find this class number in the two ways. I will show you the two different ways. Okay. You can choose okay. I will show you the two ways, but the first one this is the it is the main way. Okay. The right way is it is okay. You can do this in this way. I will discuss it later, but at first I will discuss it about this way. In 010 there is a bibliography, and under bibliography in 016 equal to the subject, bibliography and catalog, but under 016 there is no instruction to add the subject. Our subject is mathematics, bibliography of mathematics, our subject, this is the book of bibliography. Bibliography means the description of book, but which kind of book? The mathematics book. Only for this bibliography is for the mathematics book. Okay. So, we have to add the number of mathematics, but under the subject bibliography there is no instruction, but under 016 there are many subdivision like our previous example. Okay. Under 016.1-016.9 there is this notation is for bibliography and catalog of specific discipline and subject. From here you can add, there will be an instruction. The instruction is add 100-900 to base number 016. Our base number will be 016, and you can add the subject from here. Okay. Our subject is mathematics. So, the synthesis will be 016 plus 510. 510 is for mathematics, and the class number will be 016.51. Here again I have not written the last digit 0. Okay. So, you can do this class number is another way if needed. Okay. If needed, you can do this in this way. I will discuss it. The bibliography of mathematics, the same subject I have taken bibliography of mathematics, this is for bibliography, but we can do this in different way. There is a instruction for doing this in different way. Okay. That is why I have done it in different way. So, the main subject will be in this case the main subject will not be bibliography. So, directly I have taken the notation 016, that is the subject, bibliography and catalog. In this case I have taken subject, bibliography and catalog. In this case I have taken this notation 016 equal to subject, bibliography and catalog. Here you will get an instruction, the instruction if preferred, that means if needed. If you need the class with this document, this subject bibliography, you can class the subject bibliography in specific discipline or subject. You can class the subject bibliography according to specific discipline using standard subdivision notation 016. So, the meaning of this notation, you can do the classification of the specific kind of bibliography at first by using the main class of subject at first. After that you can add the standard subdivision. From the standard subdivision means table 1, you can add the number for bibliography from the table 1. In this way you can do it, if prefer, if it is needed. If you want to arrange the books according to subject, so you can do it, if prefer, if needed. Okay. So our, in this case our main subject will be mathematics, not bibliography. In that case our main subject was bibliography, but if needed we can do it to take the main subject of mathematics. So in that case I have taken the mathematics, because why I have taken the mathematics subject, because there is an instruction, if preferred, if needed, class with the specific discipline or subject. So you can class with the specific discipline or subject. So that's why I have taken the specific discipline as a first. Okay. So 510 mathematics, and after taking the notation of mathematics I added the notation for index. Index means bibliography, index, and I have taken it from the table, not from the schedule, main schedule. I have taken the dash 016, it is and in square bracket I have written SS. SS means standard subdivision. I have taken this standard subdivision from table 1. Here is an instruction also. It is optional to class here subject, bibliography and catalog. It is optional. That means it is optional. You can do it, or it is not preferable. Okay? It is not preferable. If needed, you can do it. So the synthesis will be here in this case. The mathematics will come first. After that, we can add the notation of bibliography from table 1. 0-016, it is the notation from table 1. The class number will be, in that case the class number will be 510.16. Here is also a rule. If if you have to add the notation of table 1 and your main and the last digit of your main class is also 0, we know the notation of the table 1 is started with 0. All the notation of table 1 is started with 0. So if in our main class there is also a 0 already as the last digit, so we have to remove the 0 from the standard subdivision. Okay, that's why I have taken 510 and I remove the 0 from the standard subdivision, and I have taken the only the 1 and 6. Okay, this is also a rule, but here is in some cases there is exception. These rules have some exception. Okay, mind it, if there is no instruction you have to do this. If there is a 0 in the main class and you have to add the notation from the table 1, we know that every notation of table 1 started with 0, so we have to remove the 0. Okay, this is another rule. You have to write down the rules, because you if you do not write down this these rules you will forget it. So you have to write down these rules. So in this video I end this our class ends here. Okay, so I request you to share, if the this video is helpful for all of you, please like my video and share it to your friend circle, so that everyone can get benefit from this video. So thank you. Please do like, share and comment on my video, please.